Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, a couple weeks ago, we dipped my new RS6 in the brand new desert tan color, and I love the way that thing looks. It's almost military looking, super clean, super aggressive, and that is right up my alley. Now it's time for new color on the old RS6 of 2003. And what I wanted to do is, of course, create a unique color for it, but one that's closely related to the desert tan so that the two RS6s look associated with each other. Now, what I'm thinking is if we get the ratios just right, we should be able to mix the new desert tan and the old camo brown and come up with a color that we've never had before, flat dark earth. Flat dark earth is a very aggressive color, super popular in the firearm community, and I think it would look great on the old RS6 body style, especially with the black wheels that are on there right now. So today we're mixing the new desert tan and the old camo brown. Enjoy the video. So we finished up with the project, and I can tell you right off the bat, this is either gonna be one of those colors where you love it and you think it looks awesome, or you hate it and you think it looks boring. Personally, I love it. I think this car looks mean. I think it fits the old body style of the RS6 perfectly, and of course, it's a peelable paint. So I can leave it on there for as long as I want, and if I get bored of it down the line, I can peel it off and change the color again. So of course, the question, did we nail flat dark earth? Because I know there are some people out there that are very particular about what flat dark earth should look like. Well, here's the tricky part. I did a Google image search for FDE while we were doing this project. Come to find out, there are dozens and dozens of variants of what companies and people consider flat dark earth to look like. It's not just one color. So whether or not we nailed it, whether or not this looks good, I want to see your comment in the section below. Let me know what you think. If you want to dip your car, click up here. Lots of colors to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for taking the time to subscribe. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. Girth. I think that with the new black wheels and everything that are on the car could look super clean. So today we're mixing desert tan and camo brown for a very unique color on the new RS6. It's not the new RS6, son of a bitch. Kind of military vibe so they can look related almost. So what I wanted to do, I don't know what I wanted to do.